I had applied for the C++ readability and they will tear your PR apart. It will almost feel personal. So initially when I joined Google, I had applied for the C++ readability the moment I entered actually, and it's kind of like a certification that says that okay, you're somewhat of an expert in this particular language. But to get that certification, you have to pass certain hoops. Basically, you have to send out PRs to reviews from readability mentors, and they will tear your PR apart. Like I remember like a single PR, more than 50 comments, like variable naming, memory safeties, coding styles. It'll almost feel personal, but of course it's not. Use quality control. And that actually taught me that code is read 100 times more than it's actually written. And here's the full circle moment. Today I am a readability mentor and I try to adhere to the same level of guidelines and review others PRs with the same principles. So that painful process was the only reason that I reached this level.